Let's dive right into this explainer. Gen Z is totally rewriting traditional career rules.
We hear it constantly. You want to control your time, not just blindly climb a corporate ladder.
But with that freedom comes a serious question. Are you financially prepared for the long-term consequences?
Over half of Gen Z globally has already freelanced. Rebelling against the 9-to-5? You're definitely not alone.
It's a massive reaction to burnout. A staggering 83% have quit jobs just for mental health.
But here's the catch. You trade steady pay and benefits for freedom, plus a highly volatile cash flow.
As one freelancer admitted, the earning highs are fantastic, but those slow months, they induce absolute panic.
Want to retire at 40? Factoring in inflation, you'd need a massive 7 to 8 crore corpus.
So, how do we survive the volatility? Build a dynamic portfolio career by juggling multiple income streams.
Honestly, relying on one boss is risky. Diversifying income actually creates a stronger safety net than one salary.
Let's talk practical strategy. Try Coast Fire. Save aggressively early on, then let compound growth do its thing.
Instead of a hard stop at 40, take mini retirements, short sabbaticals every few years to fully recharge.
Or there's geo arbitrage. Move to a much cheaper city to drastically lower your daily cost of living.
Building robust side hustles lowers your dependency on one gig. It makes a flexible retirement way more realistic.
To handle income volatility, aggressively build your own safety net. Get portable health insurance and an emergency fund. Long-term security requires constant upskilling. In this flexible economy, practical, real-world expertise totally beats formal degrees.
Embrace tech. Over 40% of Indian freelancers use AI to automate workflows and snag higher-paying global contracts.
But remember, combine that tech fluency with human skills like adaptability and emotional intelligence. You'll become irreplaceable.
And hey, returning to a corporate job isn't failing. Smart companies are adapting with flexible, hybrid safety nets.
A mosaic career offers incredible freedom but demands serious planning. Can your freedom successfully fund your future?
For career-related doubts, visit https://allegianceeducare.in or call on 0814 5582 1.